Woo! What's up, fellowholics? Whoever else gives a damn. That last video I made with the X pivoting, I didn't feel like editing it or anything. I just strictly did it on the first take, and turned out to go right under 10 minutes. That's funny. I'm good. I am good. Anyways, this lesson now, as I explained in the last video, it's going to be the downlight into recovery, and then using this neutral light attack on the ground, having a follow-up after it. I noticed that not a lot of people have good follow-ups after doing this. They want to do that, okay? They want to do a Sair and they want it to work, okay? It's not really true, okay? They always kind of dodge out of it, and it doesn't really work so well for me. What I like to do is that, and that's pretty true, okay? So anyways, let's get to it. As we all know, in Boomy's famous video, he's all, your biggest thing with guns right now is downlight into recovery. Learn it and grind it. But he doesn't explain how to do it, okay? Because he doesn't really care. He just wants you to find out on your own. Thanks to Crocky, he mentioned it very quickly in one of his videos how to do it, but he kind of really didn't, specify or go over it clearly. He just kind of like brushed through it real quick, and I was like, oh my god, that's the answer. So anyways, this is the magic, okay? You seem to be doing a couple things wrong, and you're like, okay, well, he does downlight. Okay, that was nowhere even close. Like, how the hell does he do it, right? What the hell was that? All right, that was nowhere close as well. How does he do it? Downlight? Come on, recovery. I couldn't reach him. What is it? Okay, what it is he's at a pretty good percent, so I don't want to fuck with him. But downlight, and then you have to dash forward into a recovery. But listen, you don't want to chain dodge, and then you don't want to wait too long for the chain dodge to go away and then try to recovery. By then, he long done dodged and went away or whatever. So the trick is, I didn't know this until recently. This opened up my whole world into new things, and it may do it for you too. After you attack, after you hit somebody, yes, chain dodge is a beautiful thing. If you want to do something like, that or whatever. Bull crap. But sometimes you don't want to chain dodge. Sometimes you want to just kind of, hit them and go straight into something else. This works for all weapons, okay? The trick is to press down. Press down. What do I mean by that? Well, for example, if I do a downlight on him, which I don't want to hit him yet, but let's say I'm going to go hit him and I'm going to do a downlight on him. You have to press down and then neutral light to do a downlight, right? So while you're pressing down, just keep holding down. Don't let it go. And then press dash while holding down still. So press down, light attack to do your downlight, right? Press down, light attack. Keep holding down and press dash immediately. And he will not, or she rather, she will not chain dodge. So down and keep holding down, dash. And she won't chain dodge. So right after your dash, do a jump into a recovery. So watch, she won't chain dodge. I'm gonna keep holding down as I press dash. And right after I press dash, then you can let go of down and press up into a recovery. Well, that's not a recovery, but you get my point. So here's an example. Saw how I dashed forward there? I didn't chain dodge because all I did was hold down, press dash, and then move my down to up into a recovery real quick. Real quick. Pow, 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 dash, jump. Okay? So that any attack, you won't chain dodge if you press down. I could press neutral light and then hold down, and while she's doing that, she's going pow, pow, pow. On that second pow, I hold down and I get ready to press that dash into something else, which I'm going to teach you next. Most people don't know a good follow-up of what to do after doing a neutral light attack like this on the ground. They want to do a Sair, which looks nice, but it's not necessarily, extremely true. Some people want to do a down air. Some people even want to do a recovery or something, I find the best option, and this is just my opinion, okay? If you want to kind of base your playstyle off of my playstyle, I go downlight, and she does a couple of hits. She goes pow, 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 okay? When she goes pow, pow, I press down, just so that she's not going to chain dodge when I press dash. So pow, 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 dash. Not recovery, I'm sorry, that was muscle memory. Jump, neutral air. So this is what you're going to get. That. And it's really quick. And you see some people do a little pivot or whatever. I just like to go straight into a dash nair, and it's so true. It's so quick. It works on platinum players, diamond players I play with. It just, no one can get out of it 90 to 95% of the time. So that, and then you can keep following up. You'll find your world opens up with so much more. Once you get them up there and you pop them up in the air, you're gonna find that your world just opened up. So anything, I mean, if you don't want to chain dodge after doing this, you know, or whatever you want to do. That way you don't chain dodge. I mean, spear, you know, check it out. I didn't chain dodge when I dashed forward there. See? Didn't chain dodge. See? It's beautiful. So, pow, pow, press down while she's attacking. While she's hitting him, press down and then dash, jump, nair. Dash, oops, sorry. Dash, jump, neutral light to do the nair. So, press down now. Like that. And when I press down, while holding down, you press the dash and she won't, you know, do a little chain dodge. She'll just dash. So, dash, jump, nair. And you have to be pressing down to be able to dash instead of chain dodging. I don't know how many times I have to say it, so. Oop, that time I didn't jump. That's my fault. And then from there, you can practice a sequence, like chain dodging from the last video. Like such. Downlight into recovery, like I said. Downlight. Keep holding down when you press dash and then jump recovery. If you heard some squeaking, don't mind that. That was just one of my snakes eating a little mouse. Don't mind him. I'm glad he's finally eating. But anyways, do it. Come on. Jump. There we go. See? See? So, downlight and keep holding down when you press dash and then do a jump recovery. And you won't chain dodge and you'll get that beautiful... what Boomy was teaching, and Crocky went over briefly. And then, you know, I was watching, who was it? Lucian's Sword? No, it was, whatever the other guy is that reminds me of him. But anyways, Skills, WG. No, it was Lucian's Sword. He does these light attacks, and then he doesn't have a follow-up. He gets out of dodge, you know, like, because it's hard to be able to there without them getting out of it, you know, like that. So it would be nice if it worked, but it doesn't always. It's just faster to do this. Well, if you can get it. There we go. It's just so much faster to do that. And then you got more options, in my opinion, after that. So just give that a try. And then, of course, the downlight into recovery is beautiful, as I told you how to do it. Works really, really well. So give it a try. Give it some practice. You're not always going to get it. And, you know, it'll help you out so much. So thanks for watching if you did. Hope this helped out. Feel free to do, as usual, whatever you want. Comment, subscribe, like, dislike. It's your political right. Do whatever you want. Thank you. Have a good day.